Hey viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna discuss about life insurance purpose and basic policies. So before starting this main part of the video, I do say that please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update. And please keep supporting me because your support brings uh, my encouragement and encourage me to do very well. So that's why please keep supporting me. So let's get started. So Department of Consumer and Family Economics says that we all must face a invalidity of debt and the economic hardship that others might face when we die. Buying life insurance is one way to ease the burden of the economic risks, and we can protect surviving family members by paying a relatively small amount called the premium to an insurance company. Then the insurance company will pay a relatively large sum of money to the beneficiaries of the policy when the insurance person die. I have that you guys understand it, their policy and why life insurance is needed. In other words, the risk of a large financial loss that may result from the death of an individual can be transferred to the insuring organization, the insurance company. Life insurance is a mean of providing an instant estate for the survivors at the deaths of an insured person. While the basic concept of insurance is quite simple, many of the details of life insurance can seem complex. Protection with life insurance, because family depends on cash for the day to day survival, there is a real need for protection from financial disaster. If the source of cash is removed, life insurance is one way to provide security. If part of all the family income is cut off because of debt, it can also provide funds to replace the services that a member of the family provides. Shield care, for example, protection and saving. The major purpose of life insurance is protection. The instant state to meet survivor needs. Some policies include a saving feature, but there are many other ways to save money and make investment. When buying life insurance, your primary concern should be providing adapter protection. The possibility saving feature is a secondary consideration. Even when the protection needs have been met, it is a good practice to consider other forms of saving and investment plan for a family, whether to save or invest through life insurance to other saving or investment media is a family choice based on needs, preference, and ability to manage finance. It's a saving investment decision, not an insurance decision. You may get a better return to your money through other saving or investment vehicles. In addition, a variety of saving and investment opportunities are available that not require paying any commission or require a commission that is lower than that for saving through life insurance. Earning on the saving or investment element of life insurance are tax deferred, but there are a variety of other saving investment media that also provide deferral of taxes on earning. However, earning in a life insurance policy, they are part of the proceed paid to a beneficially after the date of the insured and not subjected to income tax at all. Accessing need, uh, this is the main part. Please hear it very carefully and read it very carefully. Families should consider total finance need and other resource available when determine their need for life insurance needs dependent upon the number of ages of dependents, wives, children, parents, etc. The standard of living desired for dependents if income earned should die. The amount of other financial resource a family has, social security, saving, investment dependent earning capacity, etc. Consideration when buying: the financial need of surviving family members may include expense in connects connection with the debt, funeral expense, final medical expense not covered by the health insurance, expense of state settlement, and possibly readjustment expenses and relocation of the family, etc. Day-to-day living expense of surviving depend food, clothes, etc. Pay on debit, a mortgage, home or farm debt, car loan, etc. Special needs: security loan assures children education, educational expense, gift to family, friends, or organization. Retirement income for the surviving spouse and perhaps for other dependent. Principle for buying: when buy a life insurance, a family should develop a plan and select policy and fit their particular finance needs. They should use life insurance to prove for finance needs that are met in other way. So yes, the basic policy and pure protection terms and cash value terms insurance. It is the whole explanation about it. I hope please read it carefully and understand it very carefully. And here is also cash value insurance. You guys can read it and understand their plan. Here is also they are showing practically. Uh, Practically, you guys can see this their policy and states of life insurance. Uh, you guys can find out also uh, limited payment life insurance here, and explanation tax treatment here. Here is the tax information about tax, income tax, everything, policy selection, consideration, everything you guys can find out here. Definition of terms, you guys can find out everything here. Beneficiary, cash cylinder value, face value, insurance, life insurance, limited payment life insurance, policy loan, everything, premium, straight life insurance, everything you guys can find out here. So yes, this is it. See you soon. Till then, step step, goodbye.